What's up everybody? Randy Sage Photography coming at you today from the beautiful island of Kauai. Have you ever wanted to become a better photographer? Do you have a DSLR camera at home but you aren't getting the results that you thought you would get? I want to help you out. Starting today, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know about becoming a better photographer. From camera and lens selection to camera settings and also editing on Adobe Lightroom and Premiere Pro for your videos. Step one though, you got to get a camera. I recommend any of the basic DSLR cameras. That's all you need to get started. I use Nikon personally. They make a D3500, which has a 2-lens kit for right around $400. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. I promise I will get to every single question. And if you have any ideas for videos or anything that you want to see, also write those down below. I'm going to get to those. Aloha and mahalo. We'll see you next time from Randy Sage Photography.